In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in OBS Studio. If you're building a live stream layout, recording a tutorial, or you just want a simple label on screen, adding clean, readable text in OBS takes only a minute, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Go ahead and open OBS Studio. Make sure you're on the scene where you want the text to appear because we're about to place it in that specific scene. Look toward the bottom of the window for the sources panel. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list that appears, choose text, labeled text, GDI+. This tells OBS you want to create a text layer that can sit on top of your video or images. You'll be asked to name the source. Give it a short, descriptive name so you can find it easily later, then click OK. Naming is small, but it keeps your sources organized as your scenes grow. You'll now see the text properties window. In the large text box, type exactly what you want to display, maybe a title, a lower third label, or a call to action. You can change it at any time, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Next, customize the look and feel. Click the font button to choose your typeface and size. Pick something legible. Simple sans serif fonts often read best on video. Increase the size enough that it's clear at your output resolution, and use styles like bold only where it improves readability. For color, select a text color that contrasts well with your background. If you want a more dynamic look, you can enable a gradient so the text fades from one color to another. Adjust the opacity slider to make the text fully solid or slightly transparent, depending on your design. If your background is busy, turn on a background color for the text and set its opacity. A semi-transparent background box can dramatically improve legibility without covering your entire scene. When everything looks right, click OK. In the main preview, your new text appears as a movable element. Click and drag it to position it exactly where you want on screen. Place it where it's easy to read and not competing with important visuals. That's it. You've added text, customized its style, and positioned it in your scene. You can repeat these steps for multiple labels or titles, keeping each one organized and easy to manage.